The First Alert Wireless Interconnect battery-operated smoke alarm responds quickly to slow smoldering fires to protect your family against deadly threats in the home. This wireless alarm works entirely on batteries, accessible through a battery drawer on the side of the alarm, and can wirelessly connect up to 18 alarms in your home. The photoelectric sensor provides optimal detection of slow smoldering fires. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to ensure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel T3 pattern chirp to alert you. Installation is quick and simple with a theft prevention lock, and this alarm comes with a training DVD to help you set up your alarm. The First Alert Wireless Interconnect battery-operated smoke alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.